Are you stuck choosing between Power BI and Tableau? Let me break it down for you in 5 quick points. Unearth has written this LinkedIn newsletter if you want to read this, check description. First up, cost efficiency. Power BI offers a free desktop version and affordable premium options, making it ideal for small to medium businesses. Tableau, on the other hand, can be quite pricey for individual users or smaller organizations. Next, integration with Microsoft tools. Power BI works seamlessly with Excel, Azure, and SharePoint. If you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem, this makes your workflow smoother and collaboration easier. Third, ease of use. Power BI's interface is beginner-friendly, with drag-and-drop features and Excel-like familiarity. Tableau is powerful, but has a steeper learning curve. Fourth, Power BI has built-in AI tools like key influencers and quick insights, helping you find trends and patterns without exporting data to external tools. And lastly, frequent updates and community support. Power BI delivers monthly updates and has a vibrant user community that shares ideas and solutions. So, if you're looking for cost efficiency, ease of use, and powerful integrations, Power BI is your go-to choice. What's your favorite feature? Let us know. Subscribe for more such Power BI related videos.